Welcome to Microfarm. A huge thank you to our 16 subscribers for your support. Thanks to you, we continue to share tips, advice, and inspiration for all those passionate about self-sufficiency and permaculture. If you like what we do, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Today, we're talking about a plant that's as useful as it is versatile: bamboo. Bamboo is the perfect ally for a farm. It can be used to build fences, animal shelters, or even furniture and supports for your crops. Some varieties produce foliage that can be used as natural forage for your goats or rabbits. Plus, bamboo acts as a windbreak, protects your crops, and its roots help prevent soil erosion. Aesthetically, it's great for creating dense plant screens that ensure privacy and beauty for your land. I'm going to introduce you to the top 5 bamboo varieties for your farm, detailing their benefits, drawbacks, and even the thickness of their stalks. To guide you, I'll also give each variety a rating out of 10. Philostachys edulis, or moso, is a giant bamboo that can grow up to 20 meters tall, with sturdy stalks ranging from 10 to 15 centimeters in thickness. It's perfect for construction and grows quickly in temperate or warm climates. Its main downside is that it doesn't tolerate cold climates very well. Rating 8 out of 10. Fargesia robusta is non-invasive, making it ideal if you want to avoid bamboo spreading uncontrollably. It's perfect for hedges, reaches around 5 to 7 meters in height, and its stalks are 1.5 to 2 centimeters thick, quite fine but strong. It grows slower than invasive varieties, which can be a drawback if you're looking for quick development. Rating 9 out of 10. Philostachys aureosulcata is a hardy variety, ideal for cold climates. It can grow up to 10 meters tall, with yellow stalks that reach about 5 centimeters in thickness. Very decorative, it can also be used for small constructions. However, it is invasive, so a rhizome barrier is necessary. Rating 7 out of 10. Bambusa vulgaris is an excellent choice for tropical climates. It grows fast, reaches 15 meters, and its stalks are 8 to 10 centimeters thick, perfect for various uses like building or supports. However, it's very sensitive to cold, limiting its use outside of warm regions. Rating 6 out of 10. Fargesia murulae is non-invasive, ideal for limited spaces and hedges. It grows between 3 and 5 meters, with stalks that are 1 to 2 centimeters thick. Very cold hardy, it is mainly used for ornamental purposes rather than construction. Rating 8 out of 10. To prevent invasive bamboo from taking over your land, install a rhizome barrier at least 60 centimeters deep. A rigid membrane or well-maintained trench will keep your bamboo in check. That's it for today's bamboo guide. If you learned something, be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with your friends. Thanks again for your support, and see you soon on Microfarm.